Hello everyone, my name is Masgabu. Today I show you how to convert hardcopy map or GPS point to vector format using Excel. Okay, in order to change it to vector format, first we have to change our data from Excel, okay, to other formats. To make that, this is my coordinates point. I have 9 points, XY coordinates. So this Excel format I have to change to other format. To do that, file, save as, browse to my file, and this, and I save as type CSV, comment delimited format, save. Okay, yes. Then go to quantum jazz and open it, or by layer, layer, add, add, add delimited text layer. Then browse. This is my Excel format. Open. Okay. Then we check it here and point X, X field is X in here, Y field Y. This is my coordinate, okay? Then, okay. This is my coordinates, 9 point, which we have seen on the Excel. Then, right click, save as, browse, here, okay. Point, okay. Remove, yes, okay. This is my point, okay. This is my point. Then, I have to create shape file in polygon. Here, shape file, polygon, projection, okay, addendum 37, okay. Then, okay, polygon, okay. This is my new shape file. Okay, first we have to set it is a snapping option, advanced, select both of them, check it whether it is on vector, vector and the segment. If it is on vector and the segment, okay, it is okay. Then 10, then check it this point, topology, okay, apply, okay, very good. Then start toggle editing, Okay. Okay. This is my polygon, which is converted from my coordinate system. Thank you, my friend, for your attention. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.